Hey everyone, and welcome to the club, and welcome to another weekend draw and color series. Today I'll be showing how to draw pint-sized cuddle team leader from Fortnite. Let's get started at the very top of our page with an oval for the head. We're going to leave a notch at the very top for the hair. So starting in the center, curve around towards the side, curve down towards the bottom of the head. Now I'm just going to work my way back up towards the right side. Then going up, and again, leaving a little notch along the top. Now at the top here, we're going to add two curved hairs. Starting from the center, curve out towards the right, and then up. Now I'm going to pull that down. We're going to taper it down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to add a smaller one in this little gap. Curving out, and then pulling that down towards the top of the head. Let's move to the sides and draw on the ear. So it's like a half circle, starting from the left, curve around, and then in. We do the same thing on the right. So let's line this up, curving around, and then pulling that in towards the side of the head. Now let's trace the ear out on the inside. So stepping in, we're just going to follow that curve all the way around towards the bottom, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to move down about halfway down the head and draw two small ovals for the eyes. Starting on the left, draw on the first oval. Then we're going to line this up on the right side. So lining up the top. On the top left of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight, just up against the edge of the eye. Now we're going to fill the bottom area in black. On top of the left eye, we're going to add that curved patch. Starting at the top, we're going to curve out and up. Now we're just going to round this out and come in. Now I just want to taper this back in towards the eye, so it gets a little bit wider as you come in. Now let's move to the center and draw on the nose. We're going to start with the top edge of the muzzle, starting just underneath the eye, curve up in the middle, and then back down on the right. Now we're going to curve this around and then up in the center. Starting on the left, we'll curve down, and I'll pull that up into the middle. We'll curve down towards the right, and then just up towards the top. At the top center of the muzzle, we're going to add the nose. So on the left side, I'm going to curve down and in towards the center. And then from the center, we're going to curve up and out towards the right. Let's fill the nose in black. Now we're going to tuck the mouth in underneath the muzzle. Starting at the bottom, curve on the left. Come down with a curve. It's almost like drawing a half circle. And go back up on the right. I just want to trace this out on the inside. So now that we got the head, let's work our way down the body. We're going to step over towards the left side. We're going to curve out, round out the body, and then just pull that back in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's go over to the right side and curve in the opposite direction. Going out, and then in. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. So from the left side, I'm going to curve down and up towards the center. Curve down and out towards the right side. Now from the middle, we're going to step up and draw on the belt buckle. So it's a rectangle. We're going to draw a straight line going across, come down the sides with a shorter line, and then close off the bottom. Let's trace this out on the inside. Now let's draw on the sides of the belt. From the top corner, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going out towards the left side. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now from the bottom corner, we're going to step up and draw that same line going out. In the center of the body, we're going to add that heart shape with that lightning bolt. So right in the middle, we're going to start by angling down and out towards the left. Go straight across with a short line, and then we'll come back down towards the left. Now we're going to work our way back up. Going out, pull that in with a short line, and then go back up. Now we're going to round out the top of the heart and then come down towards the center point just above the belt buckle. Curving up, rounding out the heart, and then coming down in the middle. We'll do the same thing on the right side. In the center of the body, we're going to add a large oval in behind the belt. So let's start on the left side, just up above the belt. Then we'll come back down on the right side. Now we want to continue this curve coming down in the center. Starting on the left, curve down, and then back up on the right. Now from the center of the feet, we're going to draw a straight line going up underneath that oval. Let's move back up to the top underneath the chin and add the collar. On the left, we're going to curve down and then up. At the bottom of the feet, we're just going to step up and draw that same curve. From left to right, coming down and then up. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now let's add a small shin guard on the right side. So from the center, we're going to step in, draw a straight line going up, go straight out towards the side, and then come straight down. We're going to add a strap in behind the shin guard. So from the top corner, we're going to step down, draw a straight line coming in, step down, and draw the bottom of the strap. And we're going to continue these two lines on the outside towards the side of the leg. Now we're going to add a strap on the left side. From the top line on the right, we're going to start with a straight line going across. Now we're going to step up and draw that same line. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the shoulder strap. From the side of the body, we're going to step out, curve out, and then pull that in towards the side of the body. Let's do the same thing on the right, curving around, and then pulling that in. Now we want to tuck the arms in behind the strap. So starting on the outside of the strap, we're going to curve out the arm, come down. Now we're going to round up the bottom of the hand and then pull that back up. Let's do the same thing on the right, curving around the arm, down towards the bottom, and then rounding out the hand. Let's add the cuff of the sleeve. On the left side, I'm going to draw a curve, coming down and then up. We're going to step up and draw that same curve. Let's line this up on the right side. Now let's add the bow in behind the shoulders. Starting from the top of the arm, we're going to angle up and out towards the left, and then the right. Now I just want to angle this down and in behind the arm. And once we have that, we can go in and start coloring the character. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's our pint-sized cuddle team leader from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your request in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.